Today we're going to be playing Who's Most Likely To in your friend group, but make it spicy.
Spicy.
Most likely to become an alcoholic. Most likely to be a stay-at-home mom or dad. Most likely to become the most wealthy of the friend group. Most likely to never get married. Most likely to hook up with someone else in the friend group.
Hook up with someone else? Hindi.
Most likely to get married and divorced multiple times. Most likely to fart during sex.
Orgasm doing sex?
Most likely to get arrested. Most likely to marry for money. Most likely to get away with murder. Most likely to never have children. Most likely
Siyempre
to
ako,
have
bakla ako
10 kids. Most likely to die before turning 40. Most likely to be a simp for life.
Simp for life? Simp for life.
Most likely to
Simp parang ano lang,
nanonood.
lang, ganun.
Walang nagawa sa buhay.
Oo.
Tambay sa
Most
Tagalog.
likely to be a stay-at-home mom or dad. Most likely to become the most wealthy of the friend group. Most likely to never get married. Most likely to hook up with someone else in the friend group.
Ay, friend, dapat ikaw eh. Dapat ikaw yun
Likely
eh.
to get married and divorced multiple times.
Okay.
Oh, sige, next question.
Meron
Ano
pa.
yung kagapon sa atin?
Ano pa ba?
Don't feel. Nasa room tayo, ayan.
Talagang ano, Ilocano eh.
Kagapon. Sa amin din, Ilonggo, kagapon.
Sa Bisaya din, kagapon. Pauso kayo mga
Most likely with
Tagalog.
my friends.
Wala pa.
Ay, huwag mo pakinggan.
Who's the most likely with my friends? Sino takot sa commitment?
Trauma.
Sino
Trauma.
bumalik sa ex?
Dito magsasabaw sa ex.
Wait, bakit lang? Wala, isa pa.
Naalala ko yung sinabi mo.
Gaga, huwag niyo ako ituturo sa ex ko. Meron akong ano.
Who's the most likely with my
Madami yan.
friends?
Sige lang, okay na.
Who's the most likely with my friends? Sino takot sa commitment?
Si Che, takot sa commitment.
Ikaw.
Sino mahilig bumalik sa ex? Sino mahilig mang-ghost?
Feeling ko. Si Che.
Oo, feeling ko.
Madalas gumala?
Everyone.
Sino mahal pa ang ex? KJ sa inuman.
Ako talaga.
Mas pwede siya nga.
Tagal kumilos.
Ay, hindi.
Sana who is Che na lang to.
Ano, tamad? Ay, wild!
Tuwang iyakin. Pinakatamad. Sino ang may maraming manliligaw?
Ako guys,
Sige, ikaw na. Sige,
gusto ko yun.
sige, ikaw na. Sabi niya, ako guys.
Ako guys. Nagpakit na ako eh.
Sino mahilig bumalik sa ex?
Ano, isa nga lang excuse. Gusto ko yung lahat tayo nakaganon kay Monday.
Sino mahilig mang-ghost?
Pero hindi naman.
Madalas gumala?
Tamad ng talaga.
Huwag mag-explain.
Di ba lang?
Sino mahal pa ang ex?
Hindi mo ko ituturo, sabi ko.
Sino KJ sa inuman?
Gusto ko yung ako yan.
Tagal kumilos.
Itsura ko.
Naka-wild.
Tinuro ko.
Sabi ko, ay, wild, hindi. Iyakin.
Pinakatamad.
So, aminado siya.
Sino ang may maraming
Uy,
manliligaw?
diba?
Nag-isip tayo.
Kaya ka sige si Sean.
Ano pa?
Meron pa yan.
Ito?
So, yun na ito ah.
Pwede tayo maghanap kasi may wifi naman tayo. Baka sabihin na ano tayo. Toxic. 60 mo lab.
Ang dami kasi sabi.
English naman. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan.
Pit.
Put a finger down, toxic edition. Now, no cheating. We want to see your real, authentic reaction. So, pause this video.
Sabi ni Jordan, English naman.
Ay, isa na ba?
Put a finger down if you've ever texted someone, "I'm on my way," when you haven't even left the house. Resting face.
Yeah,
If you've seriously considered ghosting everyone. Put a finger down if you've ever checked someone's location to see if they were lying. Put a finger down if you're a Gemini, Leo, Capricorn, or Cancer. Put a finger down if you've ever led someone on. Put a finger down
Led
if you've
someone
ever flirted with your friend's ex. Put a finger down if you've ever posted a picture with someone just to make another person jealous. Put a finger down if you've ever dated one of your friend's exes. Put a finger down if you've ever broken up with someone over text. Put a finger down if you've ever posted a petty quote on your story just for one person to see it.
Yeah.
Posted the story for one
Lima,
person.
nakalima ako.
Ako 8 at
Sex ako sex.
Isa lang din.
Ay,
ko marinig yung
ay, you guys are not toxic. Good. Oh, umuwi na kayo. Di kayo toxic.
Nagpo-post ka
Ano, nagpo-post ka
isang
para-
person?
Oo.
Hindi. Para matamaan yung isang person.
Bawas sa social media, hindi toxic.
Put a finger down, Psycho
Pwede
Edition.
plastikan lang.
Psycho.
Parang ako agad yan ah. Narinig ko agad yung psycho ah.
Put a finger down. Put a finger down, Psycho Edition. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you're a psychopath. Put a finger down if you start crying when you get angry. Put a finger down if you can tell who someone is by the sound of their footsteps. Put a finger down if you like to eat ice cubes. Put a finger down if you're a Virgo, Pisces, Aries, or Gemini. Put a finger down if you can taste different kinds of water. Put a finger down if you would laugh if a little kid fell and dropped their ice cream. Plan out conversations line by line before they happen.
Hindi ko marinig.
Put a finger down if you are a quiet kid. Put a finger down if you get annoyed when someone breathes too loudly. Put a finger down if you have multiple personalities for different people.
Lima ako, so psycho ako.
Ubus na nga ako eh.
Ubus, psycho ka bakla, alam namin.
You're a psycho.
Ay, di ba dalawang kamay doon?
Wala na, yun na lang.
Parang kasama ko eh. Pero ubus pa rin yun. Lahat eh. Gago ba yung limo
Who's
niyan?
the most likely with my friends?
Tapos na yan.
Sa'yo pala na ito.
Wala pa yan?
Sino takot sa commitment?
Tapos na yan. Wala na,
Marami pang
yun na
iba,
yun.
Marami pang iba. Search mo.
Marami pang iba.
Tapos na yan.
Kaya nga naghanap siya ng
Most
iba.
likely with my couple friends.
Hindi. Ata.
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Hindi, group of friends.
Most likely with my couple friends.
Try natin. Try.
Couple?
Group of friends.
Most likely with my couple friends. Pinakamaliit. Pinakamatangkad. Pinakamarupok. Umiyak dahil sa lalaki. Loyal sa crush.
Lahat.
Mahilig sa moreno. Sweet.
Sweet daw, sweet chat.
Oh, guys, tara pa.
Ay, yun na yun.
With my couple friends.
Ang saya nito.